Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can lock your profile account on Facebook. So basically you only certain people like friends or I don't know can see what you post and what you do on Facebook. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So what you need to do is click on the little icon with three lines on the right side of my screen right here, and you should have a screen similar to this. You want to scroll down until you find settings and privacy and tap on it, and just tap on settings. Once you're here, your screen should look like this, and just scroll down until you find privacy settings. Once you go on this, you can see here your activity. Who can see your further posts? Currently I have public posts, but I can change it to friends or just myself. Look, I can change it to friends, except some of them specific friends, only me. And once you change it, you can just start posting to the people that you selected. You can also limit the people who can see your past posts, limit past posts, as you can see. And now it changed the audience of my previous posts to the one which I selected for my further posts. Who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow. Again, you can select public, friends, friends except, specific friends, only me. Who can see your stories. Also, how people can find and contact you. You can select friends of your friends, everyone. Who can see your friend list. I currently have it on public. Who can look you up using the email address that you provided. Who can look you up using the phone number that you provided. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link your profile? And this, again, you can select either yes or no. So basically people can look you up on Google or not. And that's all there is to it, guys. This is how you access how you limit the access of people to your account, to what you post and what you do on Facebook, to only the people that you actually want to see those things. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.